Hello, today we are going to see together how to use the options of the furnishing step. After drawing the project, it is time to arrange it. To get inside the project we will use this option. It allows us to hide all the levels except the one we are working on. Here, being on the first floor, only this floor will be displayed. In the same way to fit out attics, we can simply hide the roofs with this option. Then comes the furnishings placement. There are two methods to place a product. The first, by integrating the element by clicking on the floor. We can then move this element. The second, by placing the element by clicking on the wall. Here, this element will remain stick to the wall no matter what happens. So we have to be very careful where we click when we want to insert a product. Then, placing products can be complicated because they collide with each other. Simply click on this option. Collisions are disabled and elements can be moved freely through other products and walls. Don't forget to click on collision again to finalize the placement and avoid elements appearing halfway through a wall on the HD visual. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.